folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I'm here to show you guys the Osburn 3300 Wood Stove. This model is going to be EPA 2020 approved, but does not qualify for the 26% tax credit. This model is going to be shown in all black, and it is shown with the straight black legs. You do have a variety of leg options. So these straight black legs are just going to be standard steel. They also have a nice decorative cast iron leg that looks a lot more traditional. You can also get this door with a nickel finish or the legs in a nickel finish as well. It is a mostly flat top stove with a slight little step up in the back here, and it is just going to be a standard 6-inch top thin wood stove. Inside the firebox here, it is going to be fully gasketed. Inside the firebox is a standard size fire brick. Located at the top, you do have the baffle system and the air tubes, which is going to give you that high efficiency burn. All Osburn wood stoves have an excellent air wash, which will keep your glass burning nice and clean. You do have the ash lip located here on the stove as well, and your damper control is just going to be located right here on the bottom, and it's just a triangle space. So when you are facing the front of the stove, to the left-hand side is going to be wide open, and pushed to the right-hand side would be closed down. This particular model, with the size of this firebox, you should get approximately about an 8 to a 10 hour burn time. So if you guys found this video helpful, please don't forget, give it a quick thumbs up, click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day.